Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys Auto Supply, and today I'll be dealing with the F-head head. We do sell these here at Kaiser Willys. They are reconditioned heads. But the thing we'll be talking about today is actually going to be the spark plugs. So one of these common questions that we ask folks is if they have an L head or an F head. Sometimes they don't know. So what we do is we ask them, are your spark plugs, are they coming in the side of the head at a 45-degree angle? Or do they come in from the top straight down? So this is going to actually go from the side at a 45-degree angle, making this the F-head head. So here I have the spark plugs. I've got two different styles here. I have the ones for the military where they have threads for the spark plug cables, and then I've got the one for the 6 or 12 volt where it's just the push-on style like normal. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll grab the spark plug cable for the M38 or the M38A1. And as you can see, with this original style spark plug, you'll thread on the cable. It makes it watertight, so that's why they used these, is that you would thread this into the spark plug and then you would thread it into the head. Now, as these parts have become more and more scarce, what we have here is actually an adapter that allows you to use the 24-volt spark plug cable set, but still use the 6 or 12-volt push-on style spark plug. The really cool thing, you actually have threads on one end, and then you have the other end where you're going to stick your spark plug itself. You see you have this hexagonal spot here on the adapter. What that does is it seats that spark plug right in. Then you take this collar, you go over top of it, and then thread it into place. Now you've got this spark plug for the 6 or 12 volt, which is more readily available. It will then thread into the side of the head. You would torque it down and set it just like any other spark plug. This is a really neat adapter. Basically what it allows you to do is take the 6 or 12 volt spark plugs that we sell for the other vehicles and allow you to use your waterproof spark plug cables for the military. You can use this on the F head or on the L head, so the M38 or the M38A1. This adapter kit comes with 4 adapters and 4 spark plugs. From then on, you can then use 6 or 12 volt spark plugs, which again are more readily available. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.